Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by setting a clear structure so the document breathes. Apply heading 1 for the main title and heading 2 for top sections. This creates an automatic outline and makes navigation simple. Once done, adjust page size and margins to match your audience, letterverses A4, and add a concise title page with 1-2 sentences that explain the document purpose. These first steps save time later, because consistent headings and layout prevent frantic reformatting when you expand content. Now refine typography and spacing to improve readability. Pick one font for headings and a complementary font for body text. This contrast guides the eye. Increase line spacing to between 1:15 and 1:5 and set consistent paragraph spacing so blocks don't run together. Use columns or tables for side-by-side content and add 0.5 indents or spacing for nested lists. These adjustments make dense information feel organized, and they reduce eye strain, so readers stay engaged longer. Finish by polishing visuals and validating the document. Insert images and icons with consistent margins, and stick to a simple 2-3 color palette for accents so the page looks intentional. Apply and update styles to change all headings or body text at once. This saves time if you tweak font or size. Finally, export a PDF, test external links, and run the accessibility checker to catch contrast or heading order issues. If something breaks, revert to the last style update and reapply missing style.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.